हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज हामिद अली बहलोल एंड होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। मैं इस वक्त आरकानसा स्टेट की कैपिटल लिटिल रॉक में मौजूद हूँ। जैसा कि आपको पता है, मेरे जर्नलिस्टिक जर्नी का ये 10वां शहर है। हर शहर में हमने एक कामयाब पाकिस्तानी के साथ बातचीत जारी रखी है। आज मेरे साथ कैंसर के स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर उमर खलील हैं, जो यहाँ पे बेस्ड हैं लिटिल रॉक में। आइए इनसे बातचीत करते हैं। डॉक्टर साहब, सर खैरियत से आप?
अल्लाह का शुक्र।
सर ये बताएं, माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ इमरान खान कैन फैसिलिटेट आर offer best packages to overseas Pakistani community?
Thank you, Hamid. It is very important. Imran Khan, Prime Minister Khan now, believes that the overseas Pakistanis are a very important asset for the country, for Pakistan, which means that he wants us to play an active role in making a new or Naya Pakistan, right? So he has a special advisor, Zulfi Buhari, who is his special advisor for overseas Pakistanis. So we would like him to establish contact. We would like him to make efforts so that he comes and meets and travels all over the world to every city where he meets us. And
Zulfi is also active in this sense.
That's right. And we would like Zulfi to come and present the vision of the government and all the plans that they have back home in the country, so that the overseas Pakistanis can actually give their input, and we can become a partner and share their vision and do what we can for the government.
Brilliant.
Travels all over the world to every city where he meets us. And
Zulfi is also active in this sense.
That's right. And we would like Zulfi to come and present the vision of the government and all the plans that they have back home in the country, so that the overseas Pakistanis can actually give their input, and we can become a partner and share their vision and do what we can for the government.
Brilliant. Sir, my second question is, do you think that Pakistani media is serious about highlighting the role of overseas Pakistani community?
I wish that the Pakistani media should be serious. So it is for the Pakistani media right now to decide that they want to play a positive role, or they want to play a negative role. With this new government, with Prime Minister Khan's government, they should be helping the government establish contact with the overseas Pakistanis to facilitate the contact between the two sides, right? Meaning they can play a good role, they can play a positive role. And right now, I think that they still need to do more. They're not doing enough, because again, the overseas Pakistanis are spread all over the world. So that means that people all over the world in every city want to do something for the country. So their role can be highlighted by the media. But the media has to establish contact. They're an asset. They're an asset.
Okay. What is your message for Pakistan and for the new government, PTI?
Yes. Well, I would say to the people of Pakistan, we spread and we should share that vision. And every one of his team members should know how to articulate that vision and should be on the same page. Now, what was Medina? In the city of Medina, there were 3 things that were important: love, mercy, and justice. So we need to bring that in Pakistan. We need to show love for our people. We need to show mercy for the poor and the weak who need our help. And there should be justice in the country, and we should love the truth and justice. And that's what we need to do.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर साहब, वेरी काइंड, वेरी प्लेयर, आपने टाइम दिया। जैसा कि आपने सुना, डॉक्टर उमर साहब ने बड़ी वजाहत के साथ जुल्फी बुखारी को जो है वो पॉइंट किया कि उनको चाहिए कि वो कांटेक्ट करें ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानियों के साथ, क्योंकि वो ही एडवाइज़र हैं, एडवाइज़र टू प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानियों के। मीडिया के लिए जिस तरह उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तानी मीडिया को ज़्यादा जो है वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होना चाहिए ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानियों के लिए। मैं यहाँ पे मौजूद हूँ, ये पाकिस्तान है, इनके रिमिटेंसेस की वजह से हमारा मुल्क जो है वो आगे बढ़ता है। ये जिस तरह की मोहब्बत मैंने डॉक्टर उमर में देखी है पाकिस्तान के लिए, वो शायद हम जो पाकिस्तान में बसते हैं, पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं, वो हमारे दिल भी उस तरह नहीं है जिस तरह इनका दिल पाकिस्तान के लिए धड़कता है। पाकिस्तानी मीडिया और पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट दोनों को सीरियस नोट पे सोचना चाहिए कि ऐसे पाकिस्तानियों को फाइंड करें और इनके साथ जो है अपने ब्रिज को, अपने राब्ते को बहाल करें, ताकि पाकिस्तान की तरक्की जो है, तामीर व तरक्की, वो मुकम्मल हो सके। बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू वेरी मच।